There's a tremendous revolution going on in medicine today. More and more doctors are challenging the mainstream and using alternative therapies to help heal their patients. They're not abandoning traditional Western medicine, but using both. Channel 5's Dr. Stan Winokur explores this unique medical marriage in his special report.
Lisa, you know, when I became a doctor, no physician would have dared use both alternative and Western medicine together. But that's always been the dream of Dr. Jeremy Geffen. He's a board-certified Florida oncologist. We went to Vero Beach to take a look at his cancer center and to see how he uses the best of both worlds in helping to heal.
He takes the time to tend to the needs of the needy.
Beverly Gordon has spent a lot of time walking these waters in Vero Beach, Florida. She came here in January to do battle with breast cancer.
I had 13 positive lymph nodes, which is a very high number. 13 of 19.
Bev's surgeon gave her those facts following her double mastectomy. At the time, she really didn't know what it meant, but she soon learned she was in for the fight of her life.
I had some fearful moments, but I never really had any depression about it, because I never believed that this diagnosis was going to mean that cancer would be the death of me.
After her surgery, Bev had a choice to make. Living in New Jersey, she had a lot of cutting-edge medicine available in New York. She could get her chemotherapy there, even enroll in one of the research studies. After meeting several doctors, Bev was impressed with what was available. A cousin recommended that she see Dr. Jeremy Geffen. After talking with him, she came to the conclusion that conventional medicine alone just wasn't good enough.
But one of the first things, and what really sticks out in my mind, was he said to me, "You can beat this." And no one had said anything like that to me.
Cancer challenges the mind and the heart and the spirit of human beings so deeply, as well as it challenges the body. So dealing only with the physical aspect of the disease for many patients is not enough.
It's one of the many lessons Jeremy Geffen's father taught him. During his last year of medical school, Dr. Geffen's father was diagnosed with cancer. Dr. Geffen saw a major flaw in a system that treats the disease, but not the patient.
I saw what he went through. I saw how he was instantaneously transformed from a human being with cancer into a cancer patient.
The doctors told his father there was nothing they could do.
It's a horrible thing. It should never be said. It should never, ever, ever, ever be said to a human being.
Dr. Geffen vowed to open his own cancer center and practice a different kind of medicine. 4 years ago, he did just that. Here at the Geffen Cancer Center, patients don't have to choose between alternative therapy and conventional treatment. This is one place they can get both.
He believes in mind, body, soul, and spirit. He believes all four of them put together will heal your body.
Doc believes in also helping the body with vitamins and minerals and supplements to keep the body and the immune system and so forth working for you to help fight the cancer, along with what the chemotherapy does.
The center has a state-of-the-art lab, exam rooms, and a unique chemotherapy room, all an important part of the program.
It wasn't my idea, as far as alternative therapies go, to leave oncology behind. What I really wanted was state-of-the-art medicine coupled with anything else that might help.
That's why the center offers massage therapy,
Explore that silence.
meditation and yoga,
These are things that I have used myself.
nutritional education,
People are just incredibly wonderful.
psychotherapy and support groups, and a healthy dose of love are all part of the healing process.
It's a different thing entirely of anywhere we've ever been. And we're at the age, we've been to a few doctors.
He's not only my doctor, he's my friend, and he'll always be my friend.
Herbs, massage therapy, meditation, yoga, and prayer may one day be prescribed just as often as antibiotics are today. 34 of the nation's 125 medical schools, including Harvard, Yale, and Atlanta's Emory University, now offer courses in alternative medicine. And we went to Florida to learn how one doctor long ago put into practice what the schools are just now beginning to teach.
And I said, okay, tell me the bad news, and then tell me how we're going to get rid of it. And he said, oh, he said, doesn't look like you're going to get rid of this one.
The first doctors Walter Runge went to gave him a death sentence. He's got cancer of the pancreas. The doctors gave him 6 months to live.
And it was like, well, we can give you painkillers until the end and just keep you comfortable. And I said, I can't believe this. I said, whatever it takes, I want to be cured. And I know I can be cured. I just know this. And I said, maybe you can learn something from treating me.
Walter and his wife Diane are pastors of a Unity church. A member of the church told them about Dr. Jeremy Geffen.
Well, it was a wonderful feeling of relief, basically. We were embraced. We weren't treated as though there's really something wrong with you. We were treated like, we're here to help you.
I want to have people experience an idea that anything is possible. Really anything.
It's something Dr. Jeremy Geffen truly believes. At his cancer center in Vero Beach, Florida, patients get the best treatment Western medicine has to offer. But that's only part of the healing process. Dr. Geffen doesn't promise to cure his patients, but he deeply believes that they can be healed. If not physically, then mentally, emotionally, and spiritually.
Our goal, our aim really, is to go to the heart of what it is that people really want from cancer treatment or from anything or from life itself. And in my own experience and my belief, what that is a sense of love and purpose and joy. What we're going to do this evening is just begin to explore that silence.
That's one of the things people can learn through meditation. Geffen believes that meditation is probably the single most important adjunct to conventional therapy. The mind can help the body to heal by easing the emotional turmoil.
Meditation allows people to get off the wheel, so to speak, to actually for a period of time every day to let go of the compelling drama of the physical body.
It started to become very clear to me how much a part of my own healing that I was.
Beverly Gordon feels that meditation helped clear the fuzz out of her head. She says that it gave her joy, peace, and a sense of direction. Beverly Gordon has breast cancer with 13 positive lymph nodes. She remembers one of the first things Jeremy Geffen said to her. He said, "You can beat this."
Over the course of time, I have come to understand how important that was, because what he was saying was not, I can cure you. What he was saying is, you can beat this.
And when a human being has that sense of inner joy and peace, then, without question, absolutely, they have the best chance of having their tumor go away. The healing doesn't come from anywhere else but within. When you cut your finger, the doctor doesn't heal that.
Bev believes she helped to heal herself. 13 months after the cancer was diagnosed, there's not a sign of it in her body.
This was probably the greatest challenge that I've ever had. And I learned that I could rise to it. I did it. And I did it. I not only did it, I did it well.